Magidoo rotary drum parts washers are perfect for continuous cleaning and drying of high-volume, small to medium parts when part-on-part contact is acceptable. In operation, as parts auger through the machine's perforated rotating drum, they are first submerged in a cleaning solution, then spray washed, followed by optional spray rinse, blow-off, and heated drying stages. These units are a complete feed-through operation, which allows for parts to be automatically fed the cleaning process. Drum washers are the ideal choice for continuous processing of parts at medium to high volume production rates. The rotary drum design enables separation of the cleaning stages, therefore reducing cross-contamination. Standard design features include all stainless steel construction, continuous perforated drum assembly with internal helix, soak and jet spray wash stages, variable speed drum rotation to control stage process times and feed rates, drive motor jam protection, part loading hopper with water jet nozzles, part discharge chute, vertical pumps with screen, large marine hatch cleanout doors, tank drains and overflow. Standard design features also include additional available options include contact your local Magidoo sales representative today and ask how we can help improve your parts cleaning process.